Ayon sa magkapatid, lingid sa kanilang kaalaman ang sex education.
Sana po hindi po kami napuntis ngayon kung may mga ganun pong bagay na pinapag-aaralan sa eskwela. Para po sana makakaharap pa po kami ngayon.
Ew, you too again. Move aside before I overdose on your cuteness.
Wow, thanks for the warning. I'll try not to kill anyone with my cuteness.
We're just chilling, guys. Relax lang.
Have you guys heard about the girl who ended herself sa CR in the SP building?
She was pregnant, right?
People say everyone just ignored her. Like, seriously? Nakakalungkot, but we weren't there. We don't know her. Exactly. That's why we shouldn't judge people agad. We never know what they're going through.
Don't worry. We'll figure this out, okay?
I hope. We're not leaving without a joke pizza. 2, 3, smile! Reina, you look scared.
Please don't say anything.
You don't have to explain.
I'm scared.
I won't tell anyone, but you can't disappear like she did.
I'm pregnant.
Rina, we're kids.
That's why I'm scared.
So what? Do you want me to be a dad?
I didn't do this alone.
Don't put that on me.
I'm asking you to stand with me.
I'm not ready.
Neither am I, but it's happening anyway.
Rina, I can't. This is so miss. Rina? Stop. This is not funny. What the hell are you?
Oh my God, this is Evan's phone.
Guys, something's wrong. We need to get out now.
What happened, Trisha? Slow down.
No time. He's gone.
Go. Let's stay here. Run. Split up. Move.
Please, someone help me!
Reina, baby, you okay? You survived. I was so scared. I thought I was alone.
Not alone. You never were. We're here together. We'll face it.
I don't know how I'll do this.
You can still choose responsibility. You can still make it right. It's here.
Why are you doing this? I know how it feels to be scared, to feel abandoned, and to hide everything. I'll make sure no one feels as alone as you did.
We're not perfect, but we want help. Don't hide. Don't be afraid. Talk to someone that you trust. And remember, you're not alone. Support matters.
It's okay to make mistakes. Just make sure you handle it responsibly.